Good morning to you all. It's not that common when you get to start a conference absolutely on time. So I must say the credit goes to all of you, all the delegates who have helped us do so. Aristotle, a very well-known Greek philosopher, once said that you are what you repeatedly do. Therefore, excellence is not an act, it's a habit. I'm Anka Swati Sharma and I welcome you all on behalf of Silver Pumps India at the Supplier Day 2020. This is truly a very, very special day for our team. We have been preparing very hard to welcome you all. We have delegates from all across India and we have our foreign delegates as well. So everyone, what are we gathered here to do? We are gathered here to celebrate excellence, as the Indians do. And what Indians do is that at the beginning of anything which is special to us, which is sacred to us, we do the lamp lighting to invoke the divine spirits and to make sure that all obstacles are removed. Therefore, for the lamp lighting, I'd like to invite on stage long time, it's been around for centuries, and it has seen a lot of changes and it has constantly evolved. So much more innovation has come in, so much technology has come in, and Silza has seen it all in its more than 180 years of legacy. So believe me when I say that Silza knows how to tackle challenges and expectations. And on the same topic, we will now have a presentation by Mr. Walter Reinhardt, Head Energy BU Operations, and Mr. Hagen Alexander, Head Procurement EMEA. Please welcome both gentlemen with a round of applause. So we will take it later. After the supplier presentations, we will have a short question and answers round, which is Mr. Daniel's favorite round. Alright, so from whatever you have heard all this whole day, so which has been the most interesting presentation for you, and like which aspects, like I can see you made notes, right? So I guess a lot of people will be coming to you for photocopies. So can you just revise it for us? Any highlights?
Very interesting. Everything is also learning what we can contribute to Sulza. We also learn.
So you're not sharing your notes. He's the topper of the class. Yeah? Alright, thank you so much, sir. Do we need a small shake up? Can we everyone stand up? Yeah, no, I don't repeat my tricks. Yeah. So kindly stand up. We'll just do a small stretch. So take your hands in front, okay, and take them up. Take it back, 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 back as much as possible. Take it forward, 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 and then straight and try to touch the ceiling. Can you touch the ceiling? Do your best. Try to touch the ceiling.
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Clap for the sporting spirit. 2020, the first supplier day by Silver Pumps India team. Are we having fun? Are we enjoying ourselves? How is it going? Tell me with your claps. Going well. Thank you so much. Actually, you guys have really made it so successful, and we still have halfway to go. Now, everyone enjoyed their lunch, I hope. How many of you tried the gajar ka halwa? Huh? Tempting, tempting. Oh, our foreign delegates enjoyed it too. Wonderful. Now, talking about cooperation, I would need a little bit more of it from you. If you can see on your table, there is a feedback form. So it is very, very crucial for us to get your views, to get your feedback, so we can keep on raising the bar. So please do fill the feedback form. Our volunteers will be collecting it in the next break. For now, let's steer ahead with the next presentation, which is on business update. And for this, I'd like to call on stage Manager, Auxiliary Sales, Mr. Sandeep Darekar. Mission. And the mission is to raise the bar. The bar is being raised with every presentation for sure. It's only been a few hours and it seems like we have taken such a beautiful journey. And this journey shall continue, raising the bar shall continue with the supplier presentations, which will be happening on the other side of the tea break, which I cannot announce until I have Mr. Daniel's permission. Two questions, alright. We have to have 2 questions from the crowd now. So, whoever is ready, just raise your hands. Presentation, do it right? The first time, really amazing. I'm sure everyone's going to remember that, the catchphrase. And now we move on to the next presentation. We have the gentleman here with us. This is on DMS update. And for this, we have with us Head of Project Management SPI, Mr. Ram Narayanan Sambasivan. To invite on stage Deputy Factory GM, Mr. Claude Olivier. Agenda, I'd like to invite on stage, please help me in welcoming our MD SPI, Mr. Sujal Shah, and with him, we'd like to invite Mr. Manish as well. Leads to another, and it creates a whole circle. A very important topic. So, everyone, are we learning? The answer would be yes. Are we learning? Are we growing? Are you ready to learn more? Yes, so we will continue learning, we will continue growing. For now, we have a short tea break to refresh ourselves. I will see you back here in 15 minutes. It's now time for the awards, and to help me on stage and be my co-host, I'd like to invite our SPI Procurement Head, Mr. Sirish. Sir, अब तो आप एकदम फिट लग रहे हो, है ना? तो इस किस्से के बारे में हमें भी बताइए. सर ने हमारे साथ शेयर किया, आपकी तबीयत तक बिगड़ गई. Thank you. So the gentleman has won a wonderful award with a wonderful story, and as he said that he would want this such an event every year. Absolutely. I think that's something everyone's hearts desires, right? How many of you want such an event every year? Wow, every hand is up. Very well. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being a wonderful co-host. Everybody clap for my co-host. And now, to sum up this event and deliver the vote of thanks, I'd like to invite on stage Procurement SPI, Mr. Bhaskar Pathak. Catch up with the growing demands with time. To go from good enough to good to really good to excellent. And therefore, we'll be talking about supply excellence now, and the best person to present on that topic is our Head of Global Procurement, Mr. Daniel Altmaier. Please welcome Mr. Daniel. Just go, go, go. So Daniel, how about we reverse this and you ask them a question and we find out how many were paying attention. Huh? One question from each presentation. Huh? Let's do it differently. See, different is always nice.
So before I'm going to let you out of the room, okay? At least 3.
All right. So we have the first question. As you can see that there's something written on this background. Can someone read this for me? Who can read this for me? Any volunteers? Can someone read what is written on the background here? Down here? Yes, sir.
Raise the bar.
Raise the bar. All right. So, how do we define that, sir? What do you have to say about that? How does one raise the bar?
Raise the bar of quality, OPD, and overall performance.
I think Mr. Daniel's message has really driven home. Very well, very well. So, good answers coming, everyone. Please clap.
Sharma is also helping me. So for me, Virat Kohli.
All right. So the moment you think that cannot get better, it gets better, right? That's what raising the bar is. Thank you so much, sir. Please clap for that answer. Yes, and we have an answer from Mr. Daniel himself.
Since we're a Swiss company, I'll highlight a Swiss athlete. I think that his performance continues to be at such a high level. It's amazing at his age, and that's Roger Federer. His passion, and I think he's staying that consistent for that long. That's very difficult. That's very difficult.
Thank you. Wonderful. And similar stories are all around us. Like, for example, we're talking about athletes. I recently saw a biopic of Sandeep Singh, the Surma biopic. If you have seen that gentleman, he got shot in his back and he was paralyzed from hip down, and he fought that. And after 6 months, he got back into the game, and he is known as Flicker Singh because of his flicker shot that has won him so many accolades. So similarly, if you will see any stories around you of people who inspire others, you will see that they have risen the bar mostly after the most challenging part, mostly after even a setback. So we should never be demoralized by any setbacks or any challenges. Rather, we should take them as stepping stones. Am I right? Yeah. So these are the stories that we should continuously take inspiration from. And now that we are talking about raising the bar and we have got the message, let's also get involved in a small activity. Can I expect everyone's cooperation in this? Okay, so we will do a raise the bar activity. I want everybody to participate. Okay, no one stays out of it. Full participation. Full participation. Yes. Promised. All right. So all you have to do is you have to clap, but we are gonna set the bars. Okay. So this is a low bar. And then slowly we will raise the bar, and let's see how far we can raise it, alright? So let's start here. At a low bar. Lower. Lower. Higher. Higher. More high. 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 Higher. More. That is wonderful. How does that feel? It feels amazing. All right. So let's continue raising the bar with our upcoming presentations. I would now like to invite on stage for a presentation on procurement updates Mr. Shirish Shah, Head of Procurement SBI, and Mr. Manish Gantirkar, Procurement SBI. last activity, just hold your hand up like this, okay, and repeat after me as I say, and you have to insert your name later. I pledge, then you say your name, okay? So, say I, then say your name. I. Your name. Pledge to work closely with the Sulzer team and all day, every day, raise the bar. Raise the bar. Huge round of applause for this amazing event, this amazing team. 3 cheers to Sulzer. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you so much. This is Swati Sharma signing off. We invite you for the cocktail and dinner. Let's hit the bar.